What's up guys, it's Tyler with High Crucible Steels and we are back with another sharpening video. Today I wanted to show you guys how I like to use my hybrid diamond stones, and these are by KDTU, and this is a company out of Ukraine. They do amazing resin bonded of all types. This is their hybrid with diamond and it is immaculate. I have a 650 grit and this one's the 1500 grit. They come in all sorts of sizes. In fact, if you want to hop on over to neveknifeco.com and pick you up one now, there are a few left in stock. They go from $285 to I think somewhere around $350. There might not even be a $350, but then it goes to the $650, which is the one I have, and then it goes to $1,500. Then there's a $3,000 and a $5,000 if you want to go to the mirror polish. So I grabbed the two that I basically need almost every sharpening that I do free-handed, and what I like to do is start on a stone like the Sharpal dual-sided diamond electroplated diamond plates. These are extra coarse and fine, so we have 220 on one side and 600 on the other. Relatively affordable, these stones. So if you hop on over to Amazon, you can probably pick one up right now on sale. Typically anywhere from 45 to 60 bucks depending on if it's on sale or not. And I recommend having, a good amount of diamond plates. So basically a diamond plated stone, it's going to wear out a lot faster than the resin, and that's obvious. But it's a good tool for your reprofiling and starting from scratch, if you will, whenever you're sharpening a knife. So I like to have plenty of these on hand. I actually have a CBN stone that I had ordered a while back, and I love the way this thing sharpens for a coarse grit stone. So that's what I'm going to start on. It has a 180 side and a 220. We're going to do 220 today. So I'm not going to use the Sharpals. I am going to use the CBN stone, and then we'll pull out the hybrid bonded stones and deburr on those as well. Today's knife is a Kubi Veritas, I believe is the name. It's been a daily carry for about 3 months now, so it's seen some wear and tear, and that's what I like to use my knives for. But the edge is pretty dull at this point. Not to the point where it's like, it's not going to cut anything, because it will cut, but it's not exactly going to slice very well for an extended amount of time. So it is that time to reprofile, and that's what I'm going to get down to today.